Hello everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. It's been a while. So new product to show you today from MALIN+GOETZ. It is called the Revitalizing Eye Gel. So they have a couple different eye creams or eye products already. One is, well, they were both are, the other two are on the creamier side. This one is a really nice lightweight gel. I'm actually quite a big fan of this product. I've tried it and it felt really good, smelled really good, and it achieved some great results pretty quickly. So I'll quickly just show you the texture here. So super lightweight, very absorbent, just disappears into the skin right away. So what does it do? Well, a few different things. So helps with puffiness, and it does that primarily through cucumber extract, which also helps to calm and soothe sensitive skin. Everyone's familiar with putting cucumbers in your eyes. Well, this is kind of a way to do that a little bit more easily. Other ingredients are sodium hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid, which is a great hydration booster. Also contains marine algae, which is rich in antioxidants, helps to soften and hydrate the skin. And then it also contains some proteins, some soy and rice protein, which help to brighten, protect, and strengthen the skin under the eye. And then last but not least, which is also kind of cool, it contains diamond powder. So diamond powder is a light reflector. So basically it sort of gives the instant illusion of a more even under eye area, and helps to lighten dark circles or improve the appearance of dark circles sort of right away. And I definitely could tell a difference right away as soon as I put it on. So yeah, and it's a good price point too. I think it's a good product, good value for money. Check it out, shopmask.com, the MALIN+GOETZ Revitalizing Eye Gel. Thanks for listening.